It's no secret that one of the weakest points to your stock Jeep Wrangler JL or Jeep JT Gladiator is the stock aluminum knuckles. They're known for the ball joints breaking or cracking, the weak arms, or just the tapers wallowing out. So Synergy Manufacturing's come up with a solution for that. It's our HD steel steering knuckle. So our HD steering knuckle takes care of a lot of those common problems. First off, it's made out of nodular steel, which is way stronger than aluminum. We've increased the thickness in a lot of the steering arm areas and in the body to make it a bigger and stronger product. These knuckles come black E-coated that's about 0.001 inches thick, so it's not going to interfere with any of the function of the knuckle, but it provides superior corrosion resistance. So this steering knuckle is designed to be backwards compatible with all of the factory parts. Wheel bearings, tapers for all your tie rods, for your ball joints, for your caster sleeves. This will bolt in with no problems. Since this knuckle is backwards compatible with the stock knuckle, it fits both the Dana 30 and the Dana 44. Also, because all of our holes and our tapers are in the correct geometry, it will still handle the exact same way as stock. Most Jeeps come from the factory as left-hand drive. But the way we've designed ours, in case you live in another country or you're a postal worker and have a right-hand drive Jeep, they're completely symmetric, so they'll work with both a right-hand drive Jeep or a left-hand drive Jeep. The Synergy knuckles come with a bolt-on steering stop. It's set up from our factory to give you the same stop as the factory location. It can also be easily modified to give you more steering angle if you have the appropriate components in your axles. The factory knuckles come with what we call our low steer, where the drag link bolts on from the bottom, and we have that option as well. But for those of you who have a Jeep that's lifted at more than 3 inches and are running a high steer, previously you'd have to drill out your knuckle and install an adapter. Our knuckles have another option where that taper comes pre-drilled. Simply buy it, bolt it on, and you're ready to drive. For R&D purposes, I put this in our stress testing jig, and you can see it failed. It failed pretty quick too. When I put in one of our steering knuckles, I had a very large jig. The large jig failed and not the steering knuckle. If you're looking to upgrade your aluminum knuckles, come check us out at synergymfg.com.